What's the meaning of Coors? Coors. Coors.
Coors. Coors. Coors is a brand of beer that originated in Golden, Colorado, in the United States. The company was founded by Adolph Coors in 1873 and has since become one of the largest breweries in America. The brand is known for its light and crisp taste, and is particularly popular in the western United States. In addition to their flagship Coors Banquet beer, the company also produces other varieties such as Coors Light and Coors Extra Gold. Overall, Coors is a well-known and respected name in the beer industry.